Greetings to all sports enthusiasts. Today is a very special day. Do you know why? Because today is a National Sports Day. National Sports Day is a tribute to Major Dhyan Chand Singh, who was a legendary hockey player of India. Government of India decided to honor this iconic hockey player by celebrating his birthday as National Sports Day. Major Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August 1905. The hockey magician who won 3 consecutive gold medals in Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. He scored over 400 goals in his international career. He is known for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats. He joined the army at the age of 16. In 1956, the Government of India awarded him with Padma Bhushan. Delhi National Stadium renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Stadium in 2002. Major Dhyan Chand Singh retired from Indian Army as Major. He was a man who inspired many young Indians to join sports. After putting stamp on the international hockey arena and having served his country to reach his pinnacle of glory multiple times, he is a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey. The most noted memorial for him is Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India. On this day, President of India honors eminent sports personality with major sports awards including Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award for coaches and Dhyan Chand Award. Majorly all the schools across the country celebrates this day with full zest and zeal. This is done with the objective of igniting dogma for reverence and ode towards game in the mind of young children. Besides commemorating the great hockey wizard Dhyan Chand, National Sports Day is also considered to be a day by the youngsters to make a name for not only themselves but for the country as well. On the occasion of National Sports Day in 2019, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Fit India movement. Sports is a great unifier and binder. Sports helps an individual much more than in the physical aspects alone. Sports are a crucial part of the student's growth and development. It teaches and develops strategic thinking, analytical thinking, leadership skills, discipline, team spirits, and goal setting, just to name a few. Sports do not build character, they reveal it. So I request all my students to take part in sports and to be healthy citizens of India. Dear students, life is a game, play it. Thank you.